Timmy, Mafia. Richard Rockstone. Manager, Hannah, my media, Hannah, my yeah, Juma, why? Brass, a mini sweat drop, but please release my tie. Why people jig, I will live it and move my mess by. More than I said, when he past 5 live, moon share me, set by the shy. Lord of mercy, yummy home, more, but oh, why? Pastor Kwame, the old bash, usual, straight to room 69. Allow yourself to the on penny long, open the quick, short time. Everybody for the hotel, no say you there, you be my guy.
Only the nose knows where the nose goes. When the doors close, that's when you know you got hoes.
I want me, man, I shock you. I take
Still no reply.
You must be the same sister that I seen in the lobby. Your body lingo be so vague, you're not trying to insult nobody. But is you a stripper for real or is that your hobby? Girl, you see got me standing here, I'm about to say something that sounding real corny. Damn, look at how you move smooth, prove that it's no bones in ice cream. Man, I'm standing here like I'm in a dream. I seen what you did, pornographic back on the screen. Can you do to him what you did to me? Back, you know what I mean?
Ready? Hotel and Pam neck up with friend. Just making a noise. Go. Open the door. Hi, hotel. I'm Papa. And the manager.